Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you all my recipe for a delicious barfi wonton. So let's get started. Now this recipe can be made with leftover barfi, but today we're going to make some cheat barfi. So we're not going to go through all of the work of making barfi. So here I have some powdered milk and I'm making a very small amount. To this I'm going to go in with some elaichi, ghee or clarified butter or unsalted butter, some freshly grated ginger. We're going to go in with some heavy cream or Nestle cream. I'm using heavy cream today. We just need enough to bring this together. And to sweeten this, I'm going to go in with some simple syrup. Now this is store-bought. If you want, you can make your own syrup. This is not hot, it is just out of the bottle. This is going to sweeten this for us. And we don't need a lot, we just need enough to bring this together into a soft dough. So just add the simple syrup a little at a time until you form a soft dough. And this is the consistency you're looking for. Now I'm going to fold in some sprinkles. We didn't want to put the sprinkles in the beginning because it can bleed through this mixture. So you just want to lightly fold this in. We don't want it to start to bleed. And this is ready now. So let's start stuffing our wontons. So we're going to take our wonton wrapper and we're going to place a little dollop of this filling in the center. Wet two edges. We're folding this just like if we're making wontons. Fold this part over to make a triangle. Bend this part over, wet the tips and squeeze. And that's your first wonton. So you're going to continue filling out the rest. All you have to do is fry these on a medium heat until they're light and crisp. So just turn them as they start to cook to make sure that both sides are cooked evenly. And you just want to drain it on some paper towels. And to finish this, I'm just dusting it with some powdered sugar. Very simple. Now I do have some cherry pie filling on the side if you wanted to give that a try together with the barfi. But I would just serve it as is because you want that true barfi flavor in there. So let me bite into one so you guys can see what it looks like on the inside. So now to taste test this. Really nice. Oh, it's ooey gooey. You see the speckles in there with the sprinkles. Wow. You guys are going to love this one. Really delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I know it's a twist from the traditional recipe. I promise you it tastes just like a barfi, just with that extra crispiness. And it's something you have to try, and I recommend eating it while it's hot. So I hope you all try this. Leave me your comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.